Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply voice effect or voice changer to your Instagram Reels video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram Reel. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to select Reel. I'm going to click on Reel and I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. But wait, I'm still choosing the video. Okay, for example, I'm going to upload this video to my Instagram. Before I apply Instagram Reel, I'm going to show you the original audio, the original video. Okay, and then if you want to apply voice changer or voice back to our video, we can click on edit video. Okay, then you can click on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now, and then we can simply click on voice effect, and these are the voice effect or voice changer on Instagram we can apply to our reel, and I'm going to show you one by one. This is for the Helium and Giant, Vocalist, and then Announcer and Robot. Okay, and for example, I'm gonna go with Helium. Yeah, this is how the Helium sounds like. And then once you're done, you can click on done. And you can continue your editing guys before you upload the reel to your Instagram. You can add captions, sticker, text, or audio to your Instagram reel. And then you can click on this icon to upload it. Here you can write a caption and add hashtag or tag people, add location, and then you'll be able to share it to your Facebook as well. And once you're ready to share it, you can click on next, and the Instagram reel with the voice effect applied will be uploaded to your Instagram account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply voice changer or voice effect to our Instagram Reels video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.